So do you know how to solve this an amazing maths problem? Worry not, I will take the shortest time possible in explaining it and working it out without using any calculator. So let's now start with the solution. So now we are having 5 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 90. So assuming that we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, so this one can also be written as a to the power of m plus n. So that means that here now we shall have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is equals to 90. So 5 to the power of x is 5 to the power of x, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is 5, that is equals to 90. So for us to do away with the 5 here, we need to divide both sides by 5, then also this side by 5. So that 5 by 5 shall cancel. So now we shall have 5 to the power of x on that end is equals to 90 all over 5. So for us to work out this maths problem in the right way, we need to introduce what is called the log. So here now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of x is equals to the log of 90 all over 5. So that is to mean that when you have the log of x all over the log of y, this one can also be written as, so we can also have it as log x minus log y. So that is to mean that now our log of 5 to the power of x can also be written as the log of 90 minus the log of 5. Now, so assuming we have something like the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So the log of 5 to the power of x, you can write it as x, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 90 minus the log of 5. So that is to mean that now we shall have to divide both sides by the log of 5. Then also this side shall also divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel each other. So now we shall have remain with x. So now x is equals to the log of 90 minus the log of 5 all over the log of 5. So we shall use the log of 5 to divide 90 and also to divide log 5. So we can now rearrange them by now saying that our value for x now is equals to the log of 90 all over the log of 5, then minus the log of 5 all over the log of 5. So finally now we shall say that x is equals to the log of 90 all over the log of 5. So log 90 all over the log of 5 minus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 minus 1. So we shall now proceed and say that, so now our value for x is equals to, so the log of 90 can also be written as the log of 18 multiplied by 5. So we shall put them into bracket all over the log of 5 minus 1. So x is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 80. Then the multiplication sign shall change to addition, so plus the log of 5. So both of them shall divide by the log of 5, then also this side by the log of 5, then minus 1. So now our value for x is equals to, so here now shall have the log of 18, so log of 18 all over the log of 5, then plus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 minus 1. So next now our x is equals to, so log 18 we can still write it as the log of 9 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 5. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So now it shall remain like this. So there is no need for us to write plus 0. So next now we shall say that our x is equals to, so the log of 9, then plus the log of 2, then all of them shall now have it as all over the log of 5. Then this side is all over the log of 5. So next we shall now say that x is equals to, so log 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2 all over the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So next now we shall say that x is equals to, so x is equals to 2 the log of 3, then all over the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So now our x is equals to, so here now we shall have 2, then when you have the log of x all over the log of y, this one can also be written as the log of x to the base of y. So now we shall have 2 the log of 3 to the base of 5, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now this one now shall qualify to be our best and the correct answer. So I hope you've learned something on how to work it out without using any calculator. See you in our next video.